If you want to set gesture navigation bar on your iPhone 16e, so first of all, open up your settings. After that, scroll down to your accessibility. Here we gotta find our touch. So in our touch, we gotta find our assistive touch option. So let's turn it on. And now our assistive touch allows your iPhone, allows you to use your iPhone if you have difficulty touching the screen, or if you require an adaptive accessory. So we can tap here, we can see a lot of different options right here. Also, you can adjust your custom actions, so you can set a long press for anything, for example, for camera, right? Or you can just basically set none. Also, you have your double tap, single tap. For example, let's set our camera on long press, and we can also set up a duration for our long press. So as you see, it's opened up a camera. Also, we have some custom gestures, so we can create a custom gesture like do something like this, press save, give it a name. And now we can set up this gesture as well. And basically that's it. I recommend you going through it by yourself. There is a huge variety of different options which can be useful for you. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.